What do we study about? About short I sound is about. Yeah, what's our first story title? មើលអ្នកដី look ch e ch e ch im g ot got s e k s e k មើល I and K ចាំមក ik 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 e k e k s e k sick Tim got sick. Okay, story by Okay, read together please. Tim trời ôn an á, tôi chẳng đang ôn che màn phía rồi. Ta mơ I đang slang min man how many? Eight nâng and one more is I nâng ấy I okay. Không name what short or long? What sound of I? Short I slang A. Long I slang I. Mối tiệt one more. E is slang A. Better or better? At. And then v. Eat with vitamin milk. Read after me. Tim got sick. Repeat. He did not feel well.
He did not feel well.
E what sound?
E.
Trong phơ ill. He was very ill.
He was very ill.
His big sister is a nurse. Anh nurse đang chăm mà chờ toàn biển đó này. Nurse. E đi what sound? E. Her is his. Big. Is book a sister. Đó ta mới bị tù. You read legend, okay? You should watch more and read more. Okay, read again. His big sister is a nurse. His sister says. His sister says. Tim will get better if Tim will get better if he takes his vitamins. He drinks some milk. He rests and stays inside. Read again together now. Feel well. He was ill. His sister said, Tim if he takes vitamins. Good job. Okay, table Ben and Lavina first. One table at a time. 3 of you with Navat. Read all together. Bạn cho ngồi topic and job ha on check ha dot get thought homework ha cho lệ. Okay, first table start please. And job ទាំងអស់គ្នាបានcho I play. You understand? And job I sit down បានតោះ 3 of you Lavina Ben Navat start